The illustrations group contains commands to add different types of illustrations to your workbooks. Let's insert a picture of the school logo at the top of this worksheet. Increase the height of the top row. Now, on the Insert tab, in the Illustrations drop-down, click Pictures. Browse to the appropriate location and select the desired picture. Then click Insert. Size and position the picture as required. A contextual Format tab appears under the heading Picture Tools. You can use the commands here to format your picture in different ways. Let's apply a picture style from the displayed gallery. Now, activate the Insert tab. You can also insert online pictures. To do this, click on the Illustrations drop-down and then click Online Picture. You can enter some search criteria in the box at the top or click on a predefined category. Select a suitable picture and click Insert. The picture is downloaded and you can size, position and format it as you like. Now, let's look at the other types of illustrations. Click Shapes to see a large gallery of shapes. Click on a shape of your choice and drag to draw it at the required position on the worksheet. To fill it with a different color, on the Contextual Format tab under Drawing Tools, click the down arrow next to Shape Fill. You can select a plain color or opt for a variation such as a texture. Make your selection from the displayed options. You can rotate the shape to any angle using the rotation handle at the top. You can see that another Contextual Format tab has appeared under Picture Tools. Do explore the various options on the contextual tabs to format your shape in different ways. Let's reactivate the Insert tab. Click Icons in the Illustrations drop-down to view different icons. When an icon is inserted, like other illustrations, it can be formatted using the options on the Contextual tab. The 3D Models icon in the Illustrations drop-down on the Insert tab is used to insert various kinds of 3D models. The Smart Art icon in the Illustrations drop-down is used to insert Smart Art graphics. Click the Smart Art icon and select a category in the left pane of the displayed window. Then select a suitable graphic and click OK. Enter suitable text in the box at the left or type directly within the blocks. Two contextual tabs appear under Smart Art Tools. These can be used to enhance the appearance of the Smart Art graphic. In the Design tab, and select Change Colors. Make a selection from the gallery. Then apply a Smart Art style. The Screenshot icon on the Insert tab is used to quickly add a screenshot of any window that is currently open. Click Screenshot in the Illustrations drop-down and select a window from the displayed list. A screenshot is immediately inserted in your worksheet.